Do you have a problem on your CCTV? Leave a comment then click subscribe. I might have a solution for you. For today's video, let's talk about the question of one of our members in CCTV group. He is asking, what could be the problem and possible solution on his CCTV display? The camera is functioning but the ratio is limited. If you encountered this, first log into your recorder. Input the right password. Then right-click and select Main Menu. Select Display. Then disable or uncheck the original rate. Click Apply then Save. Go back to your display. Then check for changes. If you are using Windows or PC to view your CCTV, and this happen, just leave a comment.